In this video, I'm going to show you how to collect legally binding signatures without printing anything. This is a quick and easy way to streamline the signature process and eliminate all that paper. Stay tuned until the end for an exclusive offer you don't want to miss. We've all been there, needing to get a signature for an important document, but dreading the hassle of printing, signing, and scanning. Well, there's a much easier way to handle this, and that's by using online signature software. Let me walk you through how to do this in just a few steps. The first step is choosing the right software for the job. Now, I've tried all the popular tools, but I'll be recommending a specific software today that will let you collect legally binding signatures electronically, and yes, it's a lot easier than you think. You don't need to print anything out or even leave your computer. I'll explain more about the software in just a bit, but make sure to watch until the end because I've got an exclusive free trial for you. Once you've chosen your software, the next step is to upload your document. This could be anything from contracts to agreements. Simply upload your file into the software and it'll be ready for digital signatures. After uploading, you can start adding signature fields. Most software allows you to drag and drop where you want your signers to sign. You can also add additional fields for initials, dates, or checkboxes, all customizable based on your needs. This is what makes the process so much more convenient than printing. You can literally set it up in a few clicks. Once your document is ready, you'll send it to your signers. The software will automatically notify them and guide them on how to sign. They don't need to have any special software themselves. They can sign directly from their email or via a link you send them. This keeps everything streamlined and secure. The best part? The signatures collected are legally binding. Most electronic signature platforms comply with e-signature laws, such as the eSign Act in the US, making these signatures just as valid as if they were physically signed on paper. Plus, you can track who has signed and even set deadlines for when the document must be signed, which adds an extra layer of control. If you're wondering about security, these platforms are top-notch. The software we're using today employs encryption and authentication methods to keep your documents safe. You'll get detailed audit trails so you can see exactly when each signer viewed and signed the document. As I mentioned earlier, there's no need to print anything. Everything is done electronically, which saves you time, money, and the hassle of paper. No more printing, scanning, or mailing documents back and forth. Now let's talk about the software we're using. I've personally tested several options, and this one stands out for its ease of use and powerful features. If you want to follow along with this tutorial, I've put a link to an exclusive free trial for my viewers in the description below. This trial is only available to you if you're watching this video. Before I wrap up, here's your key takeaway. Collecting legally binding signatures without printing anything is simple and efficient when you use the right software. Upload your document, add signature fields, send it to your signers, and track everything with ease. No printing, no fuss. To recap, you can eliminate the need for paper and ink by using a trusted electronic signature platform. Upload your document, set the fields, send it out for signing, and rest easy knowing it's legally binding. And don't forget, if you want to give this software a try, check out the exclusive free trial in the description below. You'll be up and running in no time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.